Uncovering Your True Self, A Journey of Rebuilding. Alan Watts, Rebuild Yourself. What does it mean to rebuild yourself? Is it a simple renovation, a fresh coat of paint on old walls? Or is it something deeper, something far more profound? You see, most of us go through life believing we are fixed entities, unchangeable, solid. But the truth is this: life is fluid. You are fluid. And to rebuild yourself is not to create something new. It is to uncover what has always been there. You are not a stagnant thing. You are a process, a flow of becoming. And in this flow lies your greatest potential. The illusion of identity. We all grow up with an image of who we are. Perhaps you are the diligent worker, the caring parent, the ambitious dreamer. But what if I told you that image is not the real you? The identity you cling to is no more than a mask, a construct of experiences, expectations, and beliefs handed down to you by society, family, and culture. And while that mask serves a purpose, it can also trap you. When you rebuild yourself, you don't discard the mask entirely, but you realize it's just that, a mask. You are the one who chooses whether to wear it or set it down. Embracing the unknown. Rebuilding yourself means stepping into the unknown. And let me tell you something about the unknown. It's terrifying. The human mind craves certainty. It clings to the familiar, even when the familiar brings suffering. We prefer the devil we know to the vast, open space of possibility. But here's the paradox. It is only in embracing the unknown that you can truly rebuild yourself. It's like demolishing a house to lay a new foundation. At first, it looks like destruction. It feels chaotic, messy. But from this mess, something extraordinary emerges. The power of letting go. Letting go is the cornerstone of transformation. We hold on to so much: past mistakes, failed relationships, old ambitions. We carry these things like heavy luggage, dragging them wherever we go. But if you want to rebuild yourself, you must put that luggage down. Imagine this: you're a sculptor chiseling a block of marble. To create a masterpiece, you don't add more material, you remove it. You let go of everything that is not the sculpture. In the same way, to rebuild yourself, you must let go of what no longer serves you. You are not broken. Now, let me tell you something that might surprise you. You are not broken. Yes, you've been hurt. You've made mistakes. You've faced failures. But these things do not define you. They are part of your story, yes, but they are not the essence of who you are. When you rebuild yourself, you are not fixing something broken. You are rediscovering something whole. You are uncovering the infinite potential that has always been within you. The illusion of time. One of the greatest obstacles to rebuilding yourself is the illusion of time. We think, it's too late for me to change, or I'll start tomorrow. But tomorrow never comes. And as for being too late, well, let me ask you this. When is a river too late to change its course? Time is not your enemy. It is your ally. Each moment is an opportunity to begin anew. The past does not bind you, and the future does not control you. All you have is now. The dance of life. Life is not a problem to be solved. It is a dance to be danced. When you rebuild yourself, don't approach it as if you're assembling a machine. Approach it as if you're creating art. Be playful. Be curious. Allow yourself to make mistakes. A dancer doesn't think about every step. They flow with the music. In the same way, rebuilding yourself is about flowing with the rhythm of life, trusting that the music will guide you. The role of fear. Fear, the great obstacle. Fear whispers in your ear, "You can't do this. You'll fail. Stay where it's safe." But let me tell you a secret. Fear is not your enemy. It is your teacher. Fear shows you where you have room to grow. It highlights the edges of your comfort zone, the boundaries of your current self. And beyond those boundaries lies the new you, the you that is waiting to be born. So don't run from fear, dance with it. The interconnected self. When you rebuild yourself, remember this: you are not an isolated being. The self is not separate from the world. You are like a wave in the ocean, distinct yet inseparable from the whole. your transformation ripples out into the world, affecting everything and everyone around you. When you rebuild yourself, you are not just changing your life. You are contributing to the evolution of humanity itself. The beauty of imperfection. Here's another truth for you. Perfection is an illusion. In our quest to rebuild ourselves, we often strive for some ideal version of who we think we should be. But let me ask you this. Have you ever seen a perfect tree? Of course not. Trees are twisted, gnarled, asymmetrical, and yet they are beautiful. In their imperfection lies their uniqueness. So, as you rebuild yourself, don't aim for perfection. Aim for authenticity. Be who you truly are, warts and all. The inner compass. Deep within you, there is a compass. It doesn't point to the north, it points to your true self. This compass is your intuition, your inner voice. It is quiet, often drowned out by the noise of the world. But if you listen closely, it will guide you. Rebuilding yourself is not about following someone else's blueprint. It's about discovering your own path, guided by that inner compass. The journey never ends. And here's the most beautiful thing about rebuilding yourself. It is a journey without end. There is no final destination, no ultimate version of you. Life is a continuous process of growth, change, and rediscovery. Each time you rebuild yourself, you become a little closer to the truth of who you are. But that truth is infinite. You are infinite. So, my friend, the question is not whether you can rebuild yourself. The question is, asterisk will asterisk you? Will you embrace the unknown? Will you let go of the past? Will you listen to your inner compass and dance with the music of life? The choice is yours, and in that choice lies your freedom. Rebuilding yourself is not a task. It is an adventure into the depths of your being, into the infinite potential that is your birthright. So go ahead, step into the unknown. Let go of what no longer serves you. Rebuild yourself, not as something new, but as something true. Because in truth, you are not rebuilding, you are remembering. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Alan Watts' timeless wisdom. If this resonated with you, consider sharing it with others who might find comfort and inspiration in his words. Until next time, live fully, love deeply, and embrace life's dance.